Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to create short-form content without recording yourself, hiring a video editor, or spending hours creating videos every single day, then you're definitely going to want to hear about this because today, we're taking a closer look at PodShorts, an AI-powered platform designed to create your own podcast-style shows, generate short-form clips, and automatically publish them across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. And the interesting part? You don't necessarily need to show your face, record your voice, or even create a traditional podcast. But before I show you exactly how PodShorts works, I also want to tell you about the 6 exclusive bonuses you can get through my link. Here's what I'm including. Bonus number 1, Email Marketing Mastery Guide. This guide is designed to help you understand the fundamentals of email marketing and how to build a system around your audience. Bonus number 2, Social Media Content Pack. You'll get a collection of content resources designed to help you stay consistent with your social media marketing. Bonus Number 3, List Building Profit. This bonus focuses on building an email list and understanding how a targeted subscriber base can become a valuable marketing asset. Bonus number 4, Digital Marketing Video Course, a video-based training resource covering important digital marketing concepts and strategies. Bonus number 5, AI Marketing Video Course. This one focuses specifically on using AI in your marketing workflow and discovering practical ways to integrate AI into your business. And finally, bonus number 6, Top 20 AI Tools Bundle 2026, a collection of 20 AI tools that you can explore for different areas of content creation, marketing, productivity, and online business. So if you decide PodShorts is right for you, these bonuses will be included through my special bonus offer. And now, let's get into the actual review. What is PodShorts? So what exactly is PodShorts? In simple terms, PodShorts is an AI platform that helps you create and operate your own podcast-style content show. According to the sales page, the platform can create AI hosts, generate episodes from topics you provide, turn those episodes into short-form clips, and publish those clips across multiple social platforms. The idea is pretty simple. You choose a niche, you enter a topic, the AI helps create the show and episode, then it generates short clips from that content, and those clips can be distributed across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So instead of doing everything manually, PodShorts is designed to automate a large part of the content production process. Let's jump to the demo video.
No videos to record, no content to write, no posting schedule, no emails to send, no face on camera. Set up once in about 10 minutes and it makes money online. I know exactly how that sounds. So give me 2 minutes and I'll build one of these machines right in front of you. Don't believe me? Your own phone is the proof. Open any feed and count 2 faces, big captions, spicy take about air fryers. You watched the whole thing, didn't you? Everybody does. Podcast clips are the most binged content on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and the most trusted. Almost half of podcast listeners have literally bought something they heard in one. These cute little clips are quietly the best salesmen on the internet. And podcast money is stupid money. Ellen Yin quit her 9-to-5 with $100 in savings. Her podcast now pulls $960,000 a year for talking. Annette Thomas, single mom, started recording on her iPhone after work, $240,000 a year, also for talking. So why isn't that you? Oh, right, because to get there, you need a studio, editing software, a co-host who won't ghost you, a new episode every single week forever, and the confidence to hear your own recorded voice, which, let's be honest, nobody has. That's why 90% of podcasts are dead by episode 3, the best money format on the internet, locked behind the worst job on the internet. Now flip it. Imagine typing one sentence, and from that sentence, a complete podcast show appears. Hosts with real chemistry, episodes performed for you, viral clips, cut, caption, and posted to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube every single day, with your link writing on every post. Your affiliate offer, your store, your own product, whatever makes you money. No filming, no writing, no posting, ever. That machine exists. It's called PodShorts, the world's first AI that builds complete money-making podcast shows. You make one decision, your niche. 7 AI agents do every job after that. Watch. Here's the mission. This is a dog training offer that pays affiliates about $1.80 per click. My plan: build a machine that sends strangers to my link for that offer every single day without me making any content. Watch how fast this happens. I start in Trend Radar and type my niche, dog training. Boom, everything. And the dog owners are binging right now, ranked by engagement. This one's exploding. Millions of views. Every one of those views is somebody who could be clicking my link instead. So I steal its winning format as a blueprint. The hook style, the pacing, the structure, not their content. The shape the algorithm already pays. Step 2, create episode. Topic, blueprint, 15 shorts, 2 hosts. And here's the field that matters most, my offer link. That $1.80 per click offer goes right here, and PodShorts weaves it into the caption of every short it publishes. Automatically, forever. You could paste your store, your book, your booking calendar instead. I pick an angle, cast my 2 hosts, and the sales team is hired. They work 24/7. They never ask for a paycheck, and they exist to walk viewers to that link. The episode script writes itself. Approved. It cuts the best moments into 15 shorts. I pick a music track, and it renders my little salesman. Listen to one. People argue with these hosts in the comments. Nobody believes they're AI, and that trust is the sale. I schedule all 15 across my connected TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube accounts, and from tonight, each one works the feeds daily, pulling strangers toward my link. Quick napkin math on just this episode. If these 15 shorts pull a combined 30,000 views this month and 1% click, that's 300 clicks. At $1.80, that's $540 from one topic. And here's proof this works outside a demo, a live show. This machine has run for weeks. Real followers, real comments, and its offer link collecting clicks the entire time. No human ever recorded a word. Now, that was one episode, one typed topic. Your license runs this machine at full scale, hundreds of shorts, everyone carrying your link. So let's scale the napkin math up on screen. The number one way this pays is affiliate commissions. Right? So let's prove what a click is worth. This is the JVZoo marketplace. See that column, EPC, earnings per click, the average amount paid out for every single click an affiliate sends. And look at the real numbers, $1.12 per click, $2.40. Some offers pay $4, even $5 per click. These stats are public. Affiliates get paid on them every day, and your link to offers exactly like these rides in the caption of every short the machine publishes. 500 clips, just 500 average views each. Some flop at 80, a few pop at 50,000. That's 250,000 views. Just 1% tap your link, 2,500 clicks. At the lowest EPC on that screen, that's $2,500. At $2, 5,000 from clips you never made on a show you never recorded. And commissions are just door number one. Run a store, same clicks, free daily traffic, sell your own product. Those clicks are customers, and the grown accounts themselves sell for hundreds to thousands on open marketplaces. But door number one is wired in the moment your show goes live. And this isn't theory. A private beta ran before this launch. Here's what came back. Jolene is 61, retired, calls her grandson to fix her printer. Her gardening show earned $52 in month 1. She bought rose shears with it and bragged at church, if she can run this, you can. Priya started with 0 followers. The algorithm pushed her third clip to 28,000 strangers. The feeds don't care who you are, they care what people watch. And Marcus runs a small marketing agency. He built a demo show for a local dentist, played it in their waiting room, and walked out with a $750 monthly retainer. Real people, same machine you just watched. But that's not all, because owning the machine is one thing, and squeezing every dollar out of it is another. We're also giving you red carpet training, free, live onboarding sessions where our team builds your first show with you step by step. Seats are capped per cohort, and they go in order of purchase. And on top of that, 6 fast action bonuses. The first commission fast track, 50 proven niches, rated and ranked, the viral hook vault, the show owners community, the clip money masterclass, and the commercial rights license, so you can legally sell what your machine makes, exactly like Marcus did with that dentist. $832 in bonuses, free. Now let's put this offer in perspective, because the context matters. A podcast editor charges hundreds per episode. Clip editors charge $50 to $300 per batch. And doing it all yourself is the 5-hour-a-day job that kills 90% of podcasts by episode 3. You're getting the machine you just watched, 5 complete shows, 500 shorts, Trend Radar, and reusable blueprints, custom AI characters. daily automated publishing to your connected accounts with your offer link woven into every caption. The analytics loop, red carpet training, and all 6 bonuses, including commercial rights. Not for $2,500, not for $500, not even for $100. Today, during this launch window only, the entire system costs less than a takeout order for 2, one time. Not monthly, not yearly. Click the button below this video to see the launch deal. And if you're thinking, what's the catch? There isn't one. Here's the honest business model. Thousands of people get in during launch week. Some choose our advanced upgrades later. And your success story helps sell the next copies. You get the machine at launch pricing. We get your case study. Everybody wins. But when the launch timer hits 0, 3 things disappear together. The one-time pricing, your red carpet cohort seat, and every bonus, including commercial rights. After that, PodShorts goes monthly, forever, and you're completely protected. 14 days, no questions asked. Get inside tonight. Build your shows. Watch clips you never made. Go live with your link under every single one. If you're not blown away, one support ticket gets every penny back. The only way to lose on this deal is to miss it. Before you decide, let me tell you what no actually costs. Tomorrow morning, you'll open the same feed. The podcast clips will still be there, except now you'll know what they are. You'll know someone owns every single one. You'll know what the link underneath is doing while they sleep, and every scroll will come with a little sting that wasn't there yesterday. Now imagine the other morning instead. You wake up, you check your phone, and your show posted while you slept. On TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, views climbing, strangers following, clicks landing on your offer link, maybe a commission already sitting there. You didn't record a word. You typed a topic at dinner and went to bed. That morning is real for the people who own these machines. The only difference between them and you is one click. Tonight, while the launch window is still open, you're still here, which tells me you're serious, and I'll tell you something about everyone you met in this video. Jolene almost didn't try it. Priya almost believed she needed followers first. Marcus almost didn't walk into that dentist's office. Every single one of them almost said no. Don't be the person who almost owned a show. The window is closing. The button is right below. Click it, pick your niche, and see you on the inside.
My final verdict, so what's my overall opinion? I think the biggest attraction of PodShorts is the fact that it tries to bring several different processes together in one platform. Instead of finding topics, creating a podcast, writing scripts, recording, editing, creating shorts, adding caption, publishing, and then figuring out monetization, PodShorts is designed to connect many of those steps into one workflow. And for someone who wants to build a short-form content business without becoming a full-time video editor, that can be a pretty interesting proposition. The biggest thing I would recommend is to actually use the platform consistently. Don't buy it. Log in once and forget about it. Choose a niche. Create content. Test different topics. Watch your analytics. Improve your content. And give the system enough time to see what works. If you want to check out PodShorts for yourself, I'll leave the link below this video. You can click the link, check out the current offer, and decide for yourself if it's a good fit. And if you do purchase through my link, make sure you follow the instructions to claim my 6 exclusive bonuses. Also, if you found this review helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming reviews, tutorials, and digital marketing videos. And finally, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about PodShorts? Would you use AI to create your own podcast-style content? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.